guys, welcome back. This is Jenny from Polly's Paper Studio, and you are watching day 2 of our 13 Days of Halloween series. I'm so excited to be sharing all of these holiday projects with you. Today is going to be a flip book that I created with my Land of Wonder collection from BoBunny, and I used my We Are Memory Keeper envelope punch board to create tabbed top sides for this folder. So let's share some details for the cover, and then we'll get into the inside. I used the pattern paper to create some flowers that coordinate, and I used the brads from the collection as the centers. I'm using some fussy cut images from the journal cards, more brads here. These are layered chipboard stickers. They have some beautiful bling. I fussy cut this butterfly and added some stickles so that it would sparkle. Here is a sticker from the combo sticker sheet. I've got that layered over a beautiful die cut doily, and then I've added some of the dots from the Coordinating American Crafts Thickers collection that was specifically for the Land of Wonder collection. So this is a chunky little tab top flip folder, and I've got it tied up here with this beautiful ribbon. This is from Really Reasonable Ribbon. I will leave links in the description below for this collection and for the trims if you want to check that product out. So I've got that cut in a tab top shape. Can you see that there? I used that for the base as well as the pattern paper, which I have layered to create some very fun and interactive pages. I've used the journal cards as tip-ins so that I could create lots of extra real estate. You can add pictures here or journaling. The insides have the journal cards as well. I've paired a fun stripe here with that beautiful Harlequin pattern in the background, and I put a clip on here so that if you want to include some ephemera piece or a picture with writing on the back, you don't have to worry about adhering it down. So this book has already flipped once, and then it had a tip in, and now this page is going to open as well. For this section, I've got a fun pattern on the background layered on the wood grain, and then I've included part of the Noteworthy collection. This was just a flag shape with beautiful coordinating image, and I've left that just adhered at the top so that a picture can be tucked underneath it. Here is the center page, and it also has a tip-in with an additional journal card on the back. This is a great space to add a picture, and you can even journal right on this neutral colored background paper. This is sort of a more updated stylized Alice in Wonderland theme. The next page over has a tip-in as well, and that has a coordinating journal card on the back. You see, I've kept that theme of using the punch board to create that tab top so that it will all have a consistent look throughout. And now this page is going to open as well. I've got this last page treated the same as the first so that you can include a picture underneath this die cut, and there's another clip, and then so it says Spooky Tea Party just like Alice in Wonderland had, and then one more tip in for this side. I've put the journal cards up on spacers because this is quite a bulky book, and I wanted it to fill up the dimension of that so that it would support the book when it is closed. So you've got lots of layers of pattern paper, lots of tip-ins, and places to add the journaling and pictures, and you can also include some mementos without adhering them to the background. So that is it for my very important Alice in Wonderland themed Halloween mini album. If you enjoyed this project, make sure you come back for day 3 of our 13 Days of Halloween series. Leave me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and if you're not already, I would love for you to subscribe. As always, I'm wishing you a happy and productive day, and I thank you so much for watching. Bye!